All right, what is up? Just finished filming that little short that I'm gonna post, well, yesterday, because I'm gonna post this tomorrow. But we got a fresh tub of pre, so that's good. Today we got back. It's gonna be insane. It's a rainy day, rainy back day. I am ready to go. Might be a little busy, so might be a little awkward, but like we're gonna get through it. So again, like normal, like, subscribe, and also I didn't mention this in the past videos. If you want me to talk about something in my videos, like what I personally do, leave it in the comments. I know I haven't gotten any comments yet, but if you feel like you want to ask me something, feel free to. But yeah, I'm about to make my get to the gym. I think we're starting with some rear delt flies. Okay, my past videos have been really long, so I'm gonna try and shorten them up a little bit, maybe make them a little more entertaining to watch, not so like grinding and just boring, to say the least. So I'm gonna try that out. This is not a very good intro introducing that, but yeah, I'm gonna try and make it a little better for you guys. So I will see you at the gym, and I'm gonna get ready to go. So yeah, see you there. All right, we freaking made it. First up, like I said, we got some rear delt flies. I'm gonna move you up just a smidgen. That's better. All right. So just taking it, not super heavy, pretty light to start off. But just taking it, keeping your arm pretty straight, just extending out, making sure you're really getting a good contraction on that rear delt. And this will get some good blood flow to that rear delt to start your back day off. We're gonna run this just a little bit. All right, so I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the set where I'm facing away from you, because I don't think you guys want to see my backside. Like, that's just goofy, I guess. So you'll only see the front side when I'm doing these, so don't worry. Now we up the weight a little bit, keeping that good contraction. Oh, all right, on to the other side. All right, that's enough warming up for that. We're gonna run over to this absolutely optimal back machine. And yeah, that's where we're gonna start our back day off. See ya. All right. Made it over. This is the insane machine I was talking about. This thing is absolutely so good. Basically, all it is just a pullover. I'm probably overhyping it, but you know. The only reason I like it so much is because it, like, you pull straight down. It's just so good. You're good. Wow. Oh, that was pretty good. I think today I'm gonna try to go for the most weight I've ever done on this. 3 plates. I think I only do 2 1/4 typically. So load up 3 plates. So for you guys I test today. I think I did good on one of them of 3. So physics, we didn't even finish the test, so we might be cooked in that. So this is exactly what I need, a little post-school gym time. And yeah, we're gonna get the straps on. Never done this before, so we gotta get some reassurance, what I like to call it. Not cheating, simply just trying to move more weight. So we're gonna go right into this. This will be fun. This will probably be the last set for this one. Then we're gonna move on to, I think, bicep movement, and that's give me the start for biceps. And yeah, we're kicking it off pretty good today. Come on. Yeah, okay. That was pretty heavy. Woo. All right, on to the next side. See what we got for this. Typically this side is my worst side, so we're gonna see. All right, so yeah, that was absolutely optimal. I think what we're gonna do is do some biceps, but I think as a finisher, we're gonna come back to this, do dual hand pull down, and that is really good too as a finisher. So we'll make our way back here, but next we're gonna do some biceps. So I'll see you over there. All right. W song, by the way, but we got biceps. I warmed up quick with just some 20s, rocking some 40s quick. Gonna get it like 6 reps. And then we're gonna probably go up to 50s or 60s. So we'll see. Yeah, we're gonna grab the 55s, go right in between 50 and 60. 40s move pretty solid. All right, we're gonna rest a second and then we're gonna get right back to it. So I'm just gonna skip ahead to when we're starting. All right, with the straps on, we're doing this Sam Sulek method. That's how I first saw do this. So basically you just wrap yourself to the dumbbells so your grip isn't like limiting you. It feels pretty good. So yeah, 55s. See if we can get even a couple reps. Way too heavy. Got me ego lifting there for a second. I thought I could do way too much. I mean, that's okay though. I mean, you got to kind of learn yourself too. I haven't done bicep curls in a hot minute, so yeah. So what I'm thinking is we're gonna grab a straight bar and just hammer that out quick for a couple. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab one of those. All right, grab just a 50 bar, just so we can like get a crazy burn and stuff like that. So that'll be fun. I figured I can talk for a little bit, give some good commentary. It's supposed to freaking snow tonight. What the heck? I mean, we haven't had a white Christmas here in a hot minute. So like it'll be nice, but it's raining today, so it's gonna be like pure ice if it gets cold enough. So tomorrow's gym session might be drifting on my way here. Yeah, it'll be exciting. But I mean, it's been just brown Christmas this year for like the last 2 years. So hoping it'll get a little bit of snow at least. But anyways, here we go. Pretty good grip on it. Oh. Yeah. All right, that's pretty good. Whew. Yeah, feeling that. That's one thing I like to do is burn it with straight bars. I used to do a freaking insane superset with this. Holy. Oh, but yeah, I mean, it's awesome. You guys should try it if you haven't already. But I think we're gonna try a new machine today. One of the T-bar rows here. So I'll meet you guys over with that, and we'll see how that goes. Heck yeah. All right. We got the row. Got 2 plates loaded up. I warmed up on it already. This feels pretty good. So yeah, we're gonna see what we can do with 2 plates, and hopefully it goes good. Do I have a spot request? No? You don't need a spot?
You get at least 5 more.
No, I know. I'm going to throw a 3rd plate on. Yo, you want to say hi?
What?
I'm filming.
Yeah, I'll say.
This is Patrick, guys. He's too scared to hop on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we're going to see what a 3rd plate feels like, though. What did you do? You got 3 plates, right? Yeah. Huh?
Plus 10.
Plus a 10. Oh, shoot.
So, like, I think I did up to 5 or 6.
I'm going to have to see if I can one-up you. Do 3 and a 25. See how this goes. I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Crazy interaction. Mythic bull right there. Well, I'm trying to get him to do some other videos, but he's stuck on Instagram. Oh. It's always awkward when it gets like crazy quiet in here. Like, I don't know whether I should talk or not. But yeah, we're gonna see how 3 plates moves. I'm not expecting a whole bunch, but we'll see. Can't even get the strap on. This is gonna be interesting. All right. Well, yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good, but it's pretty heavy too, so. Oh. Well, if you can hear my neck crack, that's kind of dope. Like, that was insane. Insane neck crack. Anyways, I think I'm gonna drop it down to 2 plates. Drop that out a little more. I think I'm gonna stop it here for this lift, and I have no idea what we're doing next, so I'll just see you there when we get there. All right, I have no idea how this is gonna look. We're gonna just try it though. Maybe like that. Bro, I'm still sweating. All right. Whew. Again, no idea how well you guys can see me, but that was pretty light, so we're gonna up the weight. I think we're gonna lower this pad just a little bit too. Oh, hey, there we go. All right, well, we got that figured out. We're gonna hit this again. Oh, dude, freaking cooked. I've just started doing this machine because, like, I think back extensions will help my lower back a little bit. So we're just trying it basically a little bit, attempting something different. So let's see if we can move the weight. And yeah. Oh. Yeah. Holy crap. That's really good. Just because I think the angle's global, I think I'm gonna end this one here. Yeah, oh my gosh, I can feel my back like cramping up. But yeah. This guy.
Alright, Chad, watch me make my booty look nasty.
Heck yeah.
Make sure you flip this, boys.
Alright. We are back at the dual cables. Back from chest day on Sunday. But today, we're doing biceps. I got kind of a side profile thing going on. Yeah, this turns out. Not really sure how it's going to turn out. But we'll see. Yeah. Holy, we're not getting any more reps on that. Yeah, dang. Guys, low-key, if you have this machine at your gym, or like dual cable with this back pad, oh my gosh, we gotta try this. Throw it up and do some, it's like almost an incline variation for curls, but holy, is it good. Last time I did this though, not gonna lie, back pad gave out, and I flew backwards. So they kind of gotta outweigh the pros and cons a little bit. I mean, you win some, you lose some. But yeah, so I'm gonna do this weight one more time. I'm gonna do a drop set for it, and I'm gonna do a 50% drop. So I'm just gonna fast forward through it. But yeah, this is absolutely an optimal machine. Oh, see how the legs are doing. Oh my. That's not looking that bad. Arms are looking pretty decent. I'm gonna stop posing, save it for later. All right, I'm gonna quit yapping now. Let's get this. Oh my gosh. Did not get as many as I wanted, but that's all good. That's gonna be it for this guy. We're gonna go into, I think, one more upper back movement, and then one more lower back, and then we're gonna be done. So we'll see. Actually, I need to stop you guys. See you guys at the next one. All right. So we did do wide grip back row, but some guy worked in with me, so I didn't want to film him. So didn't get any of that at camera, but we're on a row machine. It's absolutely insane. I do single arm. So yeah, we're gonna get it going. All right, we're gonna move the seat up just a little. Whew. All right, this one's an interesting one, but it's like one of my favorite machines in here, just because you can get such a good contraction, and it's just, it's perfect. All right, other side. Oh my gosh. Dude. This one, it's like super good, but I can't go crazy heavy on it. But I also like to just get a crazy good contraction. So that kind of stops me from going really heavy. Like right now, I only have a plate on each side of my back. It's like absolutely cooked. But now for the last set of this, I'm gonna go double arm, and hopefully that, like, I don't know, kills it. And I don't have to do anything else because I'm exhausted. I think I'm gonna do one more thing of biceps. I don't think I'll show that though. So I think I'm just gonna go from here straight to the posing room. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys this. Let's see if we can't get like 8 to 10, preferably less, but we'll see. It's pretty light. Ooh, that was good. All right, I'm gonna go hit some biceps now, and then I'll see you guys in the posing room. Alrighty, we are done. We have achieved the pump. Did some biceps really quick, so don't mind the belly. It's only gonna get worse. Let's see how this freaking goes. Let's get some lat spread real quick. No idea how that's gonna look, but front double biceps, just get it all going. starting to look a little better, maybe. Let's get front lat spread. See how good this looks. All right, we'll do some side chest. Get some of that leg in there. Oh, triceps feeling a little small. Maybe simply because I've only gotten like 5 hours of sleep in the last couple days, but I haven't had a chance to like regenerate. Maybe that's a myth. I don't know. All right. We are going to call that a successful back day. Man, that's pretty good. Separation there. Oh, yeah, arms are looking kind of small, I think. Triceps, especially, like I said before, but oh, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and yeah, not much else to say. Comment what you want me to do or what you want me to talk about, I guess. Today was kind of an iffy film day. Still getting used to the whole filming thing, but yeah, I think I'm getting better. But I guess we'll see if views go up or not. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Have a great day, afternoon, night, whatever. But anyways, yeah, see you guys.